students. So now start next chapter, polynomials. Polynomials, chapter number 2, polynomial. So first write definition, right? Write definition: an expression which is the form of a naught x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1. This is read as a naught, a0 read as a naught. So an algebraic expression which is the form of a naught x to the power n, a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 plus so on plus an, where a0 that is a naught, a1, a2 so on an all are real numbers and n is a whole number. Is called polynomial. Is called polynomial. So an expression which is the form of this is called polynomial. Generally it is denoted by p of x. P of x generally it is denoted by p of x, p for polynomial and x variable, here x is a variable. So p of x is equal to a naught x to the power n, a1 x to the power n minus 1, a2 x to the power n minus 2 plus so on an. This a naught, a1, a2 so on n all are called coefficient. This a naught, a1, a2 so on n also called coefficient. Also called coefficient, and n is called degree. For example, p of x is equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 5. So this 3 is called coefficient of x square. This is called coefficient. This is a polynomial, and 3 is called coefficient of x square is equal to 3, and here minus 6, this is called coefficient of x is equal to minus 6, and this is a constant term. So coefficient, that is प्रोडक्ट ऑफ, दैट इज कोफिशिएंट मीन्स जो आप वेरिएबल टर्म है उसके साथ क्या प्रोडक्ट किया हुआ है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कोफिशिएंट. एंड डिग्री, नेक्स्ट राइट डिग्री ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल. डिग्री ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल, degree of a polynomial. degree of a polynomial. Degree means the power of variable term, the maximum power of variable term whose coefficient is non-zero is called degree of that polynomial. Right definition? The power of variable term whose coefficient is non-zero is called degree of that polynomial. For example, p of x is a polynomial. Suppose 6x cube plus 5x square minus 6x plus 9. So what is the maximum power of x? Here x is a variable term, and what is the maximum power of x? Maximum power of x is called degree of that polynomial. So maximum power is 3, whose coefficient is 6, which is non-zero. So degree is equal to 3. Maximum power is called degree. For other example, suppose p of x is equal to ax to the power 6 plus 5x to the power 7 plus 6x square. What is the degree of this polynomial? So check that. What is the greatest power? That is maximum power. Here 7 is the greatest power. So degree is equal to 7, whose coefficient also non-zero. Next example. Suppose next example, p of x is equal to ax to the power 9 6x to the power 6 plus 9, where a is a real number. A is a real number. So what is the degree of that polynomial? आप सोच करके रखो क्या होगा इसका डिग्री. What is the degree of this polynomial? आप सोच लो. आप मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स बोले होंगे 9, तो आपका यह आंसर सही भी हो सकता है और गलत भी हो सकता है. दोनों केस हैं. सही कब होगा, गलत कब होगा, बता रहे हैं. मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट सोचे होंगे डिग्री ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल इज 9 बिकॉज ग्रेटेस्ट पावर इज 9. तो आपका आंसर सही भी हो सकता है और गलत भी हो सकता है. सही किस केस में होंगे? हियर ए क्या है? रियल नंबर. सो इफ ए non-zero, or suppose first if a is equal to 0, then p of x is, put a equal to 0, 0 into x to the power 9, 6x power 6 plus 9, and 0 into x to the power 9 0. So 0 plus x 6 plus 9. So this equal to 6 into x to the power 6 plus 9. So now what is the maximum power? It's 6. So degree of this polynomial 6, not 9, when a equal to 0. So when a equal to 0, then degree is equal to 6. And suppose if a is equal to non-zero, if a non-zero, then degree is equal to 9. Then degree is equal to 9. So degree clear? Okay. Next, coefficient 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial. A polynomial p of x is called 0 polynomial when p of x is equal to 0. When p of x is equal to 0, then this polynomial is called 0 polynomial. Now what is its degree? zero polynomial, p of x equal to 0. Question is, what is the degree of this polynomial? So degree means the maximum power of variable term. So what is your variable term? No any variable term. So this can written p of x equal to 0. This 0 can retain 0 into x, or it can retain 0 into x square, or it can retain 0 into x cube plus so on. So here no any term whose coefficient is non-zero, since degree of a polynomial is defined as maximum power of x, that is variable term, whose coefficient is non-zero. But here all coefficient is 0, so degree is not defined. अब क्या बोलोगे, यह टर्म होगा डिग्री 1 हो जाएगा, यह होगा डिग्री 2 हो जाएंगे, यह होगा डिग्री 3 हो जाएगा, नेक्स्ट सो ऑन, बट कोफिशिएंट इज 0, सो डिग्री इज not defined, that is zero polynomial degree is not defined. Therefore degree of zero polynomial, degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Zero polynomial coefficient. Next term is the degree of non-zero constant polynomial. Next, constant polynomial, non-zero constant polynomial, non-zero constant polynomial. Non-zero constant, this also a constant, but here non-zero constant. So a polynomial p of x is called non-zero constant polynomial when p of x is equal to any constant c, where c not is equal to 0 and c any real number. So p of x equal to c is called constant polynomial. For example, suppose p of x is equal to 5. This is a constant polynomial, or p of x equal to 6 or 9 or 1/2 or any number 100, all are called constant polynomial. So now what is the degree? So degree, that is maximum power of variable term, but here no any variable term. Are you know x to the value of x to the power 0? Are you know the value of x to the power 0? What is the value of x to the power 0? X to the power 0, the value of x to the power 0 is equal to 1, where x not is equal to 0. The value of x to the power 0 is equal to 1. And how to prove the value of x के power 0 is equal to 1? आप क्लास 8 में पढ़े हो, x के power 0 is equal to 1 where x non-zero real number. So this constant polynomial p of x can written 5 into 1, 5 into 1 is equal to 5, or this can written 5, this 1 can written x to the power 0, this 1 can written x to the power 0. So now what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree means maximum power, and what is the maximum power? 0. So degree is equal to 0. So degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Next, zero polynomial, clear. And now exercise 2.1. Now exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Which of the following expression are polynomial? आप polynomial के लिए एक पॉइंट और समझिए. polynomial के लिए क्या क्या होना चाहिए? Since general form p of x is equal to a naught x to the power n, a1 x to the power n minus 1, so on n, when all coefficients are real number. ध्यान दोगे, कोफिशिएंट्स आर रियल नंबर और वेरिएबल टर्म x के पावर क्या है? होल नंबर. फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में पावर नहीं होना चाहिए. पॉलिनोमियल के फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में पावर नहीं होना चाहिए. पावर कैसा होना चाहिए? होल नंबर. सो n इज ए होल नंबर. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Which of the following expression are polynomial? First, 4x square minus 3x plus 7 is a polynomial or not? For polynomial, check two things. First, all coefficients are real number. So you check that. What are the coefficients? Here coefficients are 4, next minus 3 and third 7. These are called coefficients. And check that all coefficients are real number or not. So you check 4 minus 3 7 real number or not. Since all are real number, because a number whose square is non-negative is called real number. So all are real. All are real. Next, check that the power of variable term should be whole number. Power of variable term. What is the power of variable term? So power of x. Here power of x is 2. Here power of x is 1. So all power of x is a whole number. So all are होल नंबर. तो 2 पॉइंट चेक करना है. कोफिशिएंट क्या होना चाहिए? रियल नंबर. और पावर क्या होना चाहिए? होल नंबर. देन दैट इज ए पॉलिनोमियल. सो हियर ऑल कोफिशिएंट इज ए रियल नंबर एंड पावर इज ए होल नंबर. सो दिस इज ए पॉलिनोमियल. यह हो गया पॉलिनोमियल. Similarly, second is a polynomial. Second also polynomial. Third, 3 root t plus t root 2. Polynomial. Here variable term is t. T is a variable term. That is here p of t is equal to 3 root t plus t root 2. So first you check that all coefficient real or not. So what are the coefficient? This is the coefficient. So coefficients are 3 and root 2. So all are real. And power of variable term. Here variable term is t. This can written 3. This is written as root t. And root t can written t to the power 1 by 2. This root t can written t to the power 1 by 2 and plus t into root 2. So what are the power? Here power of t is 1 by 2. Here power t is 1. But this power 1 by 2 and 1, this 1 by 2 not whole number. For a polynomial, the power of all variable terms should be whole number. This 1 by 2 not whole number. So therefore, this is not a polynomial. Not polynomial. This is not a polynomial. ये समझ में आ गया. अब आप चेक करेंगे फिर कोफिशिएंट निकालेंगे। सो आप डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3, 4, 5 आप ट्राई करोगे एंड आई डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्लास। ओके।